stop scrolling. You won't believe how good this is. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Hit the link below and grab yours. People are loving this thing right now.
Okay, real quick. This one's trending hard and I totally get why. This product's everywhere right now and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it. Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. This product's everywhere right now and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.
Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. Everyone's hyped about this and I was curious too. Turns out, it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exact.